That is true. Yes. Yes.
MCK as the director of research, I think we cannot go wrong. If they goes to record business. Now, obviously, we should start giving our houses. I will give two.
Okay.
The moment we start it, we will amend the law.
Coming of the PRP to attend today's meeting. Period. In view of the fact that it has not been possible for the PRP leader to be present today, it was decided by 3 leaders to adjourn for a short break pending the arrival of Alhaji Aminu Kano.
Thank you very much.
I think that's all. Time.
No more.
Well, just a statement.
When are you likely to meet again? Oh, say this evening, tomorrow morning.
Supposing he doesn't come, sir?
That's hypothetical. Wait for a while.
Ask me another. No, if you ask so many. Oh, well, it's all very well. It's all very well.
Yes, it all depends.
Right, sir.
All right, Chief.
Okay, so sorry. Well, oh? No, I'm not going yet. Okay, look out to you are standing on. It's my son. Yes, we live together in State House. Yes, Nigerians, and we said that the door was wide open, that they could get to us at any time.
Thank you, sir.
That's all right.
The greatest nationalist in this country and the most magnanimous politician, if during this 4-party alliance you were, for instance, to step down for somebody, for instance, like Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, would you agree?
You are raising a hypothetical question, and I don't want to answer it in the midst of negotiation.
All right, sir. But supposing it did come to presenting a common candidate, and supposing, like the progressives are saying, that this nation does not, the 4 parties going to solve this problem of leadership. Assuming you want to present a common candidate.
That's our problem, and we shall solve it at the appropriate time.
You have only 6 days.
Thereafter, we shall let you know. Oh yes,
we have only 6 days to close of nominations.
We think we have a few hours. We think we have a few hours to decide, and when we decide, we shall let you know.
Would you know if Aminu Kano has left Kano, for instance?
I don't know.
Supposing he doesn't come, are you going to go to Kano?
I don't want to answer that question at this stage.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed.
May you know if the negotiation,
at the table to discuss, we shall look into all conditions raised by the various parties.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Come out from there, please.
Well,
No, 1 minute, sir. It's quarter to 4 o'clock, and it would appear that Alhaji Aminu Kano did not come from Kano. Or do you have any other information as to his movement?
well, you've heard Dr. Azikiwe has said that he was going to Kano to see Alhaji Aminu Kano, and as a result of that, we postponed the meeting until Zik sees Alhaji Aminu Kano. Then after that, we will decide to meet tomorrow or any other time. So until Alhaji Aminu is seen and we know his stand as to whether he will be joining the Progressive Front or not, we don't hold a meeting. But as soon as Zik comes back, then we meet.
Is he likely to bring Aminu Kano down to Lagos for this tomorrow's meeting?
Well, that is what we wish to see happening. That is for Alhaji Aminu to come. But if for some reasons he doesn't come, we can understand his stand.
Would you then go on ahead without the PRP if by they are not coming, they are trying to suggest in a subtle way that they are not as progressive as you want them to be?
I would not like to answer this question because we would like PRP to join us. And we don't want to discuss any possibility of PRP not joining us. So I wouldn't like to comment on that. We hope they will join.
Well, you have 6 days to the close of nomination of the common candidate for the first ballot. You have only 6 days.
Well, let me start answering this question by telling you that whether the PRP is joining the Progressive Front or not, I have already directed our gubernatorial candidate in Kaduna and Kano to step down for the PRP candidate, and we have asked all our members to vote for the PRP gubernatorial candidate on this coming Saturday.
Yeah. What about the presidency?
Now,
sir?
the presidency...
Any concessions?
Not yet. We have not come to that stage. We have not come to that stage.
Do you think it's better to field the common candidate on the first ballot or after the first ballot?
You see, I would refuse to answer this, Vera. I would refuse to answer that. This is one very important point in the whole issue. It is the most important point before the Progressive Front. And it is better for me not to say anything that may sort of give a different meaning in one way or the other to other members of the Progressive Front. I would not like to speculate at all.
Maybe we'll know the answer tomorrow, after tomorrow's meeting.
Well, I hope so. I hope so.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vera. Thank you. Good. Thank you. Thank you.
If you just
They want to see him go.